Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Listen to the story. Sam woke up to soft morning light coming through the thin white curtains. The house was quiet. It was Saturday. The clock on his desk said 7:02 a.m. His alarm had not rung yet, but he was awake. He felt restless. He felt like the day was already waiting for him, calling him to do something important. He sat up, stretched his arms, and listened. Down the hall, he could hear the light snoring of his grandmother. In the next room, his little sister slept with the door open, 1 foot out of the blanket. Sam smiled. Maya always slept like that, half inside the bed, half outside the world. He stood, washed his face, and looked in the mirror. He was taller this year, but he did not feel taller inside. He felt like a person standing on a small bridge with water moving fast below. He wanted to grow. He wanted to do the right thing. He just did not know if he had the courage when it mattered. He put on his hoodie, slipped into his old sneakers, and stepped outside. The air smelled like wet grass and fresh bread from the bakery down the street. Birds hopped on the fence and the sky was a soft blue, the kind of blue that makes promises. Sam took a deep breath and started to walk. He had no plan, only a habit. Circle the block, pass the bakery, glance inside the music store, and come back before his grandmother woke up. He did not know that today a simple walk would test his heart. The corner store was small but famous. People called it Mr. Kim's place. It had bright candy near the door, a fridge full of milk and juice, and a bulletin board where people posted ads for babysitting or lost cats. Sam pushed the door open. A bell rang, clear and happy. "Good morning, Sam," said Mr. Kim without looking up. He knew the sound of that door, and he knew the people who came in most mornings. "Morning," Sam said. He walked to the back, grabbed a bottle of water, and came to the counter. Mr. Kim scanned it and smiled. "You're early," Mr. Kim said. "Big plans?" "Just walking." "A good way to begin the day," Mr. Kim replied. "Start simple. End strong." Sam liked that sentence. Start simple, end strong. He repeated it in his head. He put the bottle in his hoodie pocket and thanked the shopkeeper. The bell rang again. He stepped back onto the street. He did not notice the wallet near the door. 10 steps away, something tugged at Sam's mind. He stopped. He looked back. The sidewalk near the store's entrance looked strange. There was a shape on the ground, dark and flat. Not a shadow, not a leaf. Sam turned around and walked back. It was a wallet, brown, worn at the edges. It looked like it had lived inside a pocket for many years. He picked it up. He looked left and right. The street was quiet. No one had dropped it just now. It was simply there, alone. Sam held the wallet in his hands. He felt the weight of it. He felt the weight of the choice. Take it in, leave it, open it. He swallowed. His stomach made a small twist. He could just walk back into the store and give it to Mr. Kim. That would be easy. That would be the right thing. But a small voice inside him whispered, "What if there's money? What if you could finally buy those headphones? Grandma can't afford them. You can help yourself for once." He hated that voice. He also understood it. He opened the wallet. Inside there was a driver's license, a folded photo, a business card, and cash. Sam counted quickly. 20, 40, 60, $100. His breath slowed. $100 was a lot for him. For some people, maybe it was not much. For him, it was new shoes, a school trip fee, or the first small step toward the headphones he wanted He pulled out the photo. It showed a little girl with pigtails and a woman with kind eyes, sitting at a kitchen table with a birthday cake. In the corner of the photo, there was a number, 7. Maybe the girl had turned 7. The woman's hand was on the girl's shoulder. Their smiles were calm and bright, like the morning sky. Sam put the photo back. His hands shook a little. He looked at the driver's license. The name read, Daniel Kim. The address was close, just a few blocks away. Same last name as Mr. Kim, but the address didn't match the store. Maybe a son, a brother, a coincidence. Sam felt the money again, like a warm, heavy secret in his hands. He closed the wallet, took a breath, and walked into the store. The bell rang. Mr. Kim looked up. Back so soon? Did you forget something? Sam held the wallet tight in his pocket. Did anyone drop a wallet? A wallet? Mr. Kim frowned, then shook his head. Not that I know of. Why? No reason, Sam said quickly. He changed direction. I thought I saw something outside. His voice sounded thin. He hated how it sounded. He hated that he had not taken the wallet out right away. Mr. Kim's eyes were calm, steady. He had seen many kinds of people in his store. He nodded. If you find something, bring it in. I can post a note. Sure, Sam said. He stepped back outside, the bell ringing again. Still clear, still happy, somehow too happy for the way he felt. He walked away from the store, the wallet in his pocket like a living thing. Sam! Hey! A voice called from across the street. It was Jordan in a red hoodie, skateboard under his arm. He jogged over with a grin. Early bird! Yeah, Sam said, trying to sound normal. Jordan looked at him. You okay? You look like you swallowed a bug. Sam laughed, but not very well. I found something, he said. What is it? A wallet. Jordan's eyebrows lifted. Serious? Any cash? Sam hesitated. Yes. How much? 100. Jordan whistled. Wow. Free pizza for a month. It isn't free, Sam said. Jordan shrugged. Finders keepers? Sam pulled the wallet halfway out of his pocket, then pushed it back in. It belongs to someone. Look, there's a license. Daniel Kim's. Kim, like the store guy? Jordan asked, pointing with his chin back toward the corner store. Maybe, Sam said, but the address is somewhere else. Jordan scratched his head. So what are you going to do? Sam stared down the street. The world felt too bright. I don't know. Jordan tapped his skateboard. He looked at the sky. He looked at Sam. Then he said more softly, we can return it. Together. Sam looked at him surprised. You think so? Jordan nodded. I joke a lot, but if I lost a wallet, I'd want someone to bring it back. Even if there was only $1 inside. It's not only the cash. It's your ID, your bus pass, your life, Sam breathed out. The air felt lighter. Okay, he said. Let's do it. They walked toward the address on the license. The streets were waking up. People carried coffee. Dogs pulled their owners along the sidewalk. A child in a yellow raincoat, even though there was no rain, jumped over cracks with quiet dedication. The building they preached was old but clean. The door buzzed when Mr. Kim answered the intercom. Hello? Sam held the button. Sir, my name is Sam. I found a wallet with your name on the license. We're at your door." There was a pause, a shape of silence that felt heavy and worried. Then the door buzzed again, and they entered. On the third floor, a man stood in the open doorway. He had kind eyes like the woman in the photo, and tired shoulders like someone who carried both boxes and worries. He wore a gray t-shirt and simple pants. He looked at the two boys and then at their hands, hoping. "Are you Daniel Kim?" Sam asked. "Yes," the man said. "Did you really find—" Sam took the wallet out. The man's breath caught. He took the wallet gently like it was a sleeping bird. He opened it. He looked inside. His shoulders relaxed. He closed his eyes for a second, and when he opened them, they were wet. "Thank you," he said. "Thank you." "Sir," Sam said. "It was on the sidewalk near the corner store." Mr. Kim nodded. "I must have dropped it when I went to buy milk." I was thinking about three things at once: my daughter's school form, my work schedule, and the rent. I put the wallet in my jacket pocket, and when I took out my phone, I think it fell. He looked at them again. "You boys did the right thing." Many people would not. Sam felt a warm, quiet pride. Jordan smiled, a little shy. Mr. Kim reached into the wallet and pulled out the folded photo. "This is my sister and my niece," he said softly. "My sister's birthday was last week." He touched the corner of the photo where the small 7 was written. "We are a small family. This wallet is my ID, my bank card, the bus pass I use for work, and the little cash I had for groceries. You saved me today." He took out two $20 bills and tried to hand them to Sam. "Please," he said, "for your honesty." Sam stepped back. The money looked like it was glowing, like sunshine on a table. But he shook his head. "No, sir. We didn't do it for a reward." Jordan, to Sam's relief, also shook his head. It was the right thing. Mr. Kim looked at them for a moment and then put the money back. "Okay," he said. "Then please accept this." He reached into a drawer near the door and pulled out two small cards. "I run a repair shop. Phone screens, headphones, small electronics. Come by anytime. You get a discount for life. Honest boys deserve good deals." Sam laughed, surprised and happy. Jordan took the card and grinned. "I break my phone once a month," he said. "This is perfect." They said goodbye. Mr. Kim watched them walk back down the hall, and for a moment, Sam felt taller inside. He felt like a bridge that had become a road. Outside, the air had grown warmer. The morning blue was turning into day blue. People moved faster. Jordan high-fived Sam. "We're heroes, he said. "Maybe small heroes," Sam replied. They walked back toward the corner store. As they passed the bakery, the smell of warm bread wrapped around them. A sign in the window said cinnamon rolls, fresh today. Jordan pressed his face to the glass with a dramatic sigh. "If only we had a reward." Sam laughed. "We did have a reward," he said. "We got a discount for life." "Discounts do not taste like cinnamon," Jordan said. They kept walking, but as they turned the corner toward Mr. Kim's place, Sam saw the store door open and a police car parked near the curb. His stomach felt tight again. Two officers were talking to Mr. Kim, the shopkeeper. Mr. Kim looked worried. Sam and Jordan exchanged a glance and walked closer. "Excuse me," one officer said as they approached. "Did either of you see anything unusual this morning?" Sam felt his mouth dry. Jordan answered first. "Like what?" Mr. Kim, the shopkeeper, spoke quickly. Someone took cash from the tip jar. I must have looked away. It happened when the store got busy a few minutes ago. Sam's heart dropped. The bell, the happy bell. It had rung many times. People had come and gone. Someone had reached for the jar when Mr. Kim's head turned to the register. Do you have cameras? Jordan asked. Mr. Kim nodded. Yes, but the hard drive is old. Sometimes it stops recording. I'm not sure if it captured the last 10 minutes. Can we check? Sam asked. The officer shook his head gently. We'll take a look. But these things are often difficult. Small amounts. Fast hands. Mr. Kim looked tired. It is not the money only, he said. It is the feeling. I talk to everyone who comes in. I try to know people. When someone steals, it makes the air heavy. Sam understood. He remembered the weight of the wallet in his pocket. He remembered the voice that had told him to keep it. He looked at Jordan. Jordan looked back at him, and in that glance, Sam felt a bright, surprising idea. Sir, Sam said to the officer, can we help? We know people around here. We can ask if anyone saw something, the officer smiled. As long as you're safe and respectful. Sure. Mr. Kim nodded slowly. Thank you. And then from the sidewalk, a small, clear voice spoke. I saw a boy take it, said Maya. Thanks for watching this video, my friend. This story continues in a second part.